We are proud to announce the successful supply and commissioning of a complete grooved hearth furnace, designed for hardening and tempering alloy steel components, equipped with charging machine and quenching facility. This complete system includes electrically heated hardening furnace, 1,250 degrees Celsius, plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius uniformity. Electrically heated tempering furnace, plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius uniformity. Rail-bound charging machine with 45 seconds quench delay. Pit-type quenching tank with pumps and circulation system. Automated loading and unloading for efficiency. Built for performance, precision, and durability. This is heat treatment redefined by JR Furnace.